What's up, guys? At JSS, doing one last DD audio amp dyno. Got the DM500a. It's a 500 watt amp. Got this all ready to do some certified runs. So we'll get right into it and see what it does at 1 ohm. Starting at 14.5 volts. Got 575 watts. Dropping to 14.3 volts. Two ohms. Cool. 397 watts into 2 ohms, dropped to 14.4 volts. And 4 ohms. $233 watts, 4 ohms, dropped to 14.5 volts. Now we'll do uncertified. Start at 1 ohm. $613 watts at 1 ohm, dropped to 14.2 volts. And we'll do that one 2 ohms. Put up 405 watts, drop to 14.4 volts, and we'll do that one at 4 ohms now.
What's up, guys? Thank you for being here with me. Welcome back. Look, people dump isolate heads and true spirit, and then ask, who the fuck is Lou Gehrig? ALS? ASL, why did you just need directions straight to your mom's house?
Alright, 235 watts, 4 ohms. Now we'll do our dynamic runs. Dynamic power. 1 ohm. Look at these hot dicks. That's a dude with a thong inside of his armpit. Look, well, rappers are like the dumbest. Rappers are like the dumbest. Too many of them. Johnny Cake was hating this bitch, trying to date one of them. Which one is the youngest? Okay, you and your sister come with. Look, I'm in this bitch like an Uberin. Truthfully, people finally finding out about me like who was he? 636 watts into 1 ohm, drop to 14.3 volts. This amp's doing really good. Try 2 ohms.
I could give a shit. Crush it up and out of all of my room while I'm analyzing limitless. If sex sells and I am Ed Helms, minus the success, they tell me to get real. Look, this a cry for help before I die by a bell or overdose and I'm biking into some diet pills. Let me file your nails, let them dry, I don't care. Where's your check? Oh, mine's in the mail.
Alright, 405 watts into 2 ohms, 14.4 volts. And one more dynamic run. We're going to do 4 ohms. Was the 90s, well,
they probably would have signed me. Should have known it's cool to get back to wear tie-dye tees. Tell their Pisces, really I'm a Scorpio. Make her fall in love just to fuck up your horoscope. Girls say I'm perfect.
All right, 233 watts dynamic into 4 ohms, 14.5 volts. That's it for the DM500. Nice little amp. You can see there, it's about the size of my hand. Did its rated power and a little more. Let me know what you guys think.